So now we will begin with the second exercise, okay? This is the second exercise of this chapter. Here also there are 5 numbers in total. I will do the first one with you and the remaining 4 you will do it yourself, okay? Now this is a bit different. In the previous exercise you had to arrange the words to make a proper sentence. Now over here the exercise that I am going to do with you, the words are already arranged in sequence, okay? What you will do is you will use punctuation marks and capital letters. You will rewrite the sentence once again. The same sentence you have to rewrite it. Rewrite means you will write once again, but when you are writing it again you have to use capital letters and punctuation marks, okay? So this is the heading of your second exercise. Rewrite these sentences by using the correct punctuation marks and capital letters, okay? So this is, once again you will underline the heading, okay? So this is the heading of your second exercise, that is rewrite these sentences by using the correct punctuation marks and capital letters. So the first question of this exercise is, okay, as you can see, where is my book? Now the words are already arranged here. What you have to do? You have to use punctuation marks and capital letters. So you will rewrite this sentence again. Now the first letter will begin with a capital. Where is my book? Now this sentence is asking us a question, okay? Where is my book? Where this word is a question. So we will end it with a question mark. As I told you earlier, by reading the sentence you have to understand whether it is a question or it is a statement or it is an exclamation sentence, exclamatory sentence, okay? So this question is this first number here, it is a question itself. So where is my book? Question mark, okay? So the remaining numbers you will do it yourself. I am giving the questions here, okay? How beautiful the house is, okay? How beautiful the house is. So you will do the answer yourself. Then the third question, I have lost my purse, okay? I have lost my purse. Then number 4, Asha is wearing a neat dress, okay? And the last question, who brings letters for us? Okay, you can have a look here. These are the questions of your second exercise. Okay, now please listen carefully what I'm saying. These two exercises that I gave you now, that is exercise 1 and exercise 2, this will be done in your English language copy or notebook itself. Okay, and before this also I gave you the question and the definition of a sentence, that also you have to write in your copy. After you complete this, now in your English language book, where you will, when you look at page number 5, you will see the first chapter given here, the sentence. Okay, now after you complete these exercises, it is for your copy only. Okay, now when you look into your books, you will see on page number 6 and page number 7, there are some exercises that are given here. This is also your homework. Okay, when you look on page number 6, you will see the same thing that we have done here in the first exercise that I gave you. There are some words given here. You have to rearrange the words, okay, to make a proper sentence by using capital letters and punctuation marks. Is it clear? So you will do this exercise in your book. There are total 10 numbers. Okay, and please remember that don't write these sentences or this exercise once again in your copy. This has to be done in your book itself. Okay, for the copy I have already done the exercises on the board. This will be done in your book itself. Do not repeat it again in your copy. And on page number 7 also you'll see there's a kind of paragraph given here. It is actually not a paragraph. There are 10 sentences given here that is written as a paragraph. Now when you look below that, you will see there are total 10 numbers given. Okay, 10 sentences, 10 numbers. You have to find the sentences and write them sequentially. Okay, like see, the first one is already given here. Sunday is the first day of the week. Now when you look into the paragraph, you will see the first line it is given. Sunday is the last day of the week. Okay, so you find the sentences, write them over here using capital letters and full stop. And this exercise also is only for your book. Please do not write this in your English language copy. Okay, so on the board what we did, the 2 exercises, that will be in the copy, and in the book these 2 exercises will be in your book. Okay, so we have come to the end of the first chapter of English language class 3, that is the sentence. I hope you have understood whatever is explained, whatever was explained to you. Kindly go through it thoroughly. Okay, so in the next session or the next class we'll begin with the second chapter. Be safe, take care. Thank you.